In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these WASSCE or WAEC chemistry problems under noble gases. So guys, we have 8 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, noble gas molecules are held together by, we have hydrogen bonds, covalent bonds, van der Waals forces, dative bonds. So the right option is option C, van der Waals forces. Van der Waals forces are weak forces. They are intermolecular weak forces of attraction. So they hold noble gases together. The next repeated question will be this one. It says rare gases are stable because they have contain equal number of protons and neutrons, and chemically active, have octet structures, contain more electrons than protons. So the right option is option C. They have octet structures. Alright, so they already have their atomic shells completely filled. Alright, so the next repeated question will be this one. It says radon is used as a tracer in medical research because it is monatomic, is radioactive, is a noble gas, has complete valence shells. So right option is option B, is radioactive. Very important, guys, take note of this question. The next repeated question will be this one. It says which of the following statements about rare gases are correct? The atomic shells are fully filled. Yes. They are generally unreactive. Yes. Their atomic shells are partially filled. No. They have lone pair of electrons in the atomic shell. No. So the right option is the one that has I and II, which is option B. Okay, so that's it for this question. The next subject question will be this one. It says rare gases are stable because the atomic probability to answer this question is because they have octet structure. Option D. Next question will be this one. It says which of the following gases is monatomic? We have argon, oxygen, chlorine, nitrogen. So the answer is option A, argon. Alright, so the next question will be this one. It says a radioactive solid is best stored, we have under ultraviolet light with a box lined with lead in a cool dark cupboard under paraffin oil. So guys, the right option to this question is option B, which is in a box lined with lead. Alright, so that's it for this question. The last question before I end this video will be this one. It says which of the following gases is used to retard the vaporization of the filament in a light bulb? So the right option is option C, argon. So guys, this basically can do problems under noble gases for your WASSCE chemistry. We practice with 8 repeated questions for this topic. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question at the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button, where we're getting premium information on help you to excel in your external exams like WASSCE and other external exams you'll be writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.